Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel One to Step. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to change the startup location for your Steam account. Now let us begin. Do note that I have already installed the application and logged into my account. In case you have not done that, well, worry not. We have created a tutorial regarding that as well. Now let us begin. Well, as you can see, initially my startup page is store. Let's say I want to change it to library. Well, it is quite easy. In order to do that, simply click on the Steam button at the top left, click on it, and from here all you guys need to do is go to settings. Right here's just above exit, you will see a button like this that says settings. Click on it. Now this is it guys, this is the settings tab. From here what you guys need to do is simply go to interface. Just below notification, you will see the interface tab right here. Click on it. And from here, you can change your client language, you can enable or disable the 24-hour clock and all these other things. But right now we want to change the startup location. Right here just below client beta participation, you can see a button like this that says startup language, and right next to it there is a drop down. Simply click on it and change it however you wish. Right now I want to change it to library, so I'm gonna click on it. And that is it guys. As soon as I click on it, my preferences will have been saved. Now the next time you open up Steam, it will start up in the library page. That is it guys, that's the gist of it. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.